you struggling to connect with your audience in a world filled with noise? Here's a secret. Audio can cut through the clutter like nothing else. Unlike video or text, audio lets you speak directly to your audience wherever they are, driving, cooking, or even on a morning jog. It builds a personal connection that other content just can't match. You can start with tools like Zencastr or Riverside FM to make recording easy. And for editing, Audacity and Descript make it super simple to polish your sound. You want to take it up a notch? AI tools like Aphonic and 11 Labs can automatically enhance your audio quality and make you sound even more professional, whether you're recording outside or from your closet. So if you're looking to build deeper connections and amplify your brand, don't sleep on audio. Follow me for tips on how to use technology to grow your business.